So we've learned about what is rates. Today we will learn how to solve problems with rates. Example, Leanne can type 74 words per minute. 74 words per minute. How many words she can type in 15 minutes?
74 times 15.
So that's pretty simple. If this is how many per 1 minute, so to find how many in 15 minutes, we just multiply 74 times 15.
Which is 960. No, yes, 900. No, maybe.
It is 100%
Okay,
not 900.
74 times
Oh, no,
10, 740,
1090.
and half of 7,
1090.
hmm?
1090.
1090, no.
No, damn it. 740.
Wait, is the question 74 times 15?
74 times 10.
Is it 1,110?
740.
1,110.
Huh?
1,110.
111.
I told you.
Correct. So 1,110 words in 15 minutes.
Is that a calculator on your watch that you were using?
No.
So that's pretty simple. Makes sense how we solve it. Now much more, not more complicated question. Let's say Sophie works in a donut van and sells on average 60 donuts. 60 donuts every 15 minutes.
Donut man.
Sells 60 donuts every 15 minutes. Question is how long it will take her to sell 800 donuts.
800 divided by 60
So-
times 15.
So
That's letting us talk to
first we need to find how many donuts she sells per 1 minute. How many donuts she sells per 1 minute? How we
800
can
divided by
find?
60.
We divide 60 donuts by 15 minutes to find how many donuts
Oh yeah, I mean,
in 1 minute. It's 60 in 15 minutes. To find 1 minute, we divide 60 by 15 equals 4.
150.
So she sells 4 donuts
A minute.
per minute.
That's pretty good.
Now, so means every 15 seconds she sells a donut.
I'm a good worker. No,
Yeah.
you can solve.
Okay, now to find how many minutes we have 800 donuts altogether.
800
In 1 minute before we need to divide 800. How many altogether? Divide by the rate. 4 is the rate. 800 divided by 4.
You're about
And it's a
200.
shame to use calculator
No, I
for
knew
that.
it was my brain.
800
Can't
divided
work
by
out
4
800 divided
equal
by 4.
200.
No, it was my brain.
200 what?
Donuts per. Sorry, 200 times 4.
What we were looking for?
I don't know.
For time. So
Oh.
200
Minutes.
minutes. 200 minutes. Make sense?
Yep.
Now, next question is, for most of the students, it will be quite complicated, but we will see the way how to solve this type of problems easily. So let's consider the next situation. Okay, 3 water hoses from 3 different taps used to fill a large swimming pool. First hose alone will take 200 hours to fill the pool, number 1. Number 2, second one takes 120 hours, if it will be just that one hose. And the third one can take 50 hours to fill the pool. Question is how long it will take if they all three will be pumping water at the same time. So one hose can fill pool in 200 hours. Second in 120 hours. Third in 50 hours. How you can find how long it will take to fill the pool if they all three together? Yes.
Could you add them all and then divide it by 3, or
Yeah.
is that?
No, you
No.
That's
divide
just
it.
the
No,
average.
you add 200 and 125 and 50, and you divide it by 6.
By
Yes,
6.
that's so right.
Why 6?
Okay,
What do you mean 6? Count 3, 2. and-
So-
oh, never mind.
let's find what fraction of the pool each of them fill in 1 hour. So as this field need 200 hours, so what fraction it will fill in 1 hour? What part of the pool?
1 out of 200.
1/200. So this in 1 hour, we're looking for 1 hour. How long, how much it will fill in 1 hour. So 1 hour, this one will 1/200, 1/200. This, the second one in 1 hour, what fraction of the pool?
Over 120.
1/120. And the third one in 1 hour, 1/50.
So add them all together.
How much they will fill in 1 hour together? Now we can add, because that is all in 1 hour. So we find how much they fill
3
all
out of
three in 1.
370.
So we do 1 on 200 plus 1 on 120 plus 1 on 50. What we need to do to add those fractions?
Highest common multiple.
Find them, bring them to common denominator. To do that, we need find highest, no, need find lowest common multiple.
Lowest common multiple.
How we find the lowest common multiple of 3 numbers?
You. No,
What the easiest way?
I forgot.
Which multiples we will write?
The highest one first.
Of the biggest number. So multiples of 200. 200 not divisible by 120. Keep going. Next 400. Not divisible by
I just
this.
done that, I forgot.
And then next
600
one
is-
6.
Yeah, it'd be
And
600.
600 is divisible by 120, and 600 divisible by 50. So lowest common multiple will be 600. Make sense how we did it? So lowest common, so the common denominator 600. So we need times this by what?
6.
To get 600.
3
By 3. This times by
Five.
5,
and 12.
and this by 12. So we will get
6.
equal 3
20
plus
over
5
600.
plus
Yes.
12 over 600. So equal 20 over 600, which can be simplified. Everything that
2
can
over
be simplified.
60, which 1/30th. 1/30th.
1/30th will be 1 over 30. So
30 hours.
in 1 hour, in 1 hour they fill 1/30th of the pool.
So it
How
takes
long it will take to fill the whole pool?
30 hours.
30 hours.
That makes sense.
Make sense?
That makes sense. Law.
Hmm?
I need
I
lawyer
said that
there.
at the start. I just subtracted 170 from 200 and I got 30. Because 120 plus 50 equals 170. So I subtracted and I got the same answer.
Okay, how it will, why subtraction of these two
I just
from
thought that
this will give us an answer?
it got 30, which is the same.
Yeah, it's a fluke.
It wasn't.
Still worse.
Okay, let's try your method. I will change numbers and let's see if it will work. Let's see, maybe you discovered a new method to solve this type of problem. So let's try. So let's say that will be instead of 200, so 1 will be 15, 2 will be 10, and the third will be 5.
Ideal method.
That does not-
How long it will take? Does not work. It's 0, so it does not work. That it was just coincidence of the numbers.
Pretty
Let's
cool.
do this one. Let's solve this one together. How long? If one can fill in 15 hours,
1 over 15,
And
1
then
over
10.
10, 1 over 5, and it's,
So we
So
need
30.
to add
yeah, it's 30.
1 over
So
15
it's 2.
plus 1
Plus
over
3.
10 plus 1 over 5.
Which is 10.
And
10
what the
over
lowest
30.
common
1 over
multiple?
30.
30. So times 2,
Is it?
times 3, times 6,
19.
and
Wait, it's
No, oh, yeah, it is
15.
11.
They get
Oh,
11.
wait.
lowest
no,
common
no,
multiple is
no,
30.
30.
So it
So
will
11
be
over 30.
2 plus 3 plus 6
11 over
divided
30.
by 30. That will be equal 11 on 30.
So then you do 30.
So how long it will take for them to fill the pool?
Around
3
2 and a
hours.
bit
Three-
30 divided
3
by
hours.
11. No.
No, less.
30.
2 and a bit.
We need to, that's how much they fill in 1 hour. To find that, that will be 1 over, we need to flip it 30 over 11
I reckon that
hours.
the answer is approximately 2.727272727.
Correct.
Okay.
2.72 recur.
It seems you have the same answer.
2.727 recurrent. Okay, make sense?
Adios.
What?
Like, subscribe, and donate to help fight Russian aggression.
Amen.
Yesterday, classes listened to